Hello! In front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. Let's enter settings firstly. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now tap on Show Your Data and on Unlocks. Right here we've got the list of all apps I've opened today. For example, I opened settings today 10 times. You can also check for different days. For example, yesterday I opened settings 30 times. It's that simple. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.